everyone. Got a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan, and we're going to replace the remote battery today.
All right, so the first thing you want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. You have a sliding button right here. You're going to slide it to the right. And at the same time, you're going to pull the emergency key out. Now, if you look at the remote, it splits in half, okay? So we're going to split this guy in half. Okay, we're going to use a spot to the left of the hole for the emergency key to kind of pry up on using the like a flathead screwdriver or a butter knife or something. All right, you can see how it's split like that. Split it open. All right. Okay, we're going to take this cover off. Let's see how this cover works. Then we're going to take the buttons and everything. I'm going to do this. All right. And here's our battery. Pull it out. I'll show you what size the battery is. All right, so here's our battery. If you look, it is the size CR2032. And the side with the writing and everything like that, and this positive sign here is the positive side. And it will be facing down in the remote. All right. If you need a battery, check the description box. I have a link there for batteries. Take it to Amazon. Pick one up real quick, real cheap. Just put the buttons back on, slide the cover back over it, and just snap it all together. Should snap all the way like that. And we're all done. Put the emergency key back in. Should go in, no problem. All done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. See you again in another video.